Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ari and you guys are watching Finance Square. The reason why I'm doing this video because I came across a token or a project called Chiliz that generated in the last year 15,000% gain. Now, this is a project that I haven't heard of until a few weeks ago and I was really blown away. So I wanted to find another underrated project that can actually potentially make you a lot of money. So I actually decided for this specific video to look at Binance Chain project and to obviously look at those 5 projects and obviously to invest a small amount of money and to see how it will perform for the next year or two. So stay tuned. I want to remind you guys what made me do this video. So we're looking now at Chiliz, this token that is currently valued, has a market cap of over $3.5 billion and the current price is 0.64 cent. And if you look here, you see that the all-time low was last year around 27th of September. The price of this token was 0.004, which means over 15,000% gain. Now, this is to do with gaming, but still, I think that this project is really was able to leverage the whole momentum of gaming and NFT. So we're going to be looking now at the tokens. So how many tokens are actually trading on Binance? So I went to CoinMarketCap and you can click here on Binance Chain. If you're going to scroll down, you're going to be able to see that currently there are 87 different projects that are running on Binance Chain. Now, the goal for this specific video is to try to find 5 projects that are undervalued, that are obviously below that $1 billion market cap, and they can literally generate a 10x return minimum within a year or so. Now, the goal is for you to put any amount that is not significant, that you're not going to be even thinking about it. Now, if you are usually spending $10 or $50 a month for doing your lottery, then maybe this is the right amount for you guys. If you're able to put $100 and not even think about it, then this is the right amount for you guys. Now, the goal is not to put all in. The goal is to put a small amount of money and just to see how it's going to roll for the next year or two. So I have picked for you guys 5 different projects that have a potential to go to that $1 billion market cap, and also to generate at least 10x return moving forward. So the first project I found is the following. So this project called Narwhal Swap. So when you go to this website, you can actually see here that the current, one second, so the current market cap is $4.4 million, which means it's a very small project, only $4 million. And if this project will do well for the next year or two, it can potentially reach $1 billion. So if based on today's price, if it has to go to $1 billion market cap, we're looking at here at around 27 times return if you're ever going to reach that $1 billion. So again, put a small amount of money, $10, $5, and then literally forget about it. So the goal is to allocate equally the amount that you have, split into 5, and take into consideration that only one of those 5 will really go to the moon and really generate a lot of money. The rest might lose all that money invested. Again, look, we're talking about $10, $50, maybe even $100. We're not talking about $10,000, $100,000. Again, you can literally maybe buy once the project really evolve and get more momentum. You can obviously put more money, but the goal is to literally put a small amount of money. So this is the first project I'll look into. Now the second one is called Pancake Bunny. So Pancake Bunny doesn't have really currently a market cap. Let's see here. This is their website. Okay, so from what I can see, they have a running website. You need to obviously to log in and connect with your wallet. They obviously work with BNB. I'm trying to find out what is their market cap. So maybe if I go back here, so it's not very clear what is the market cap. Maybe you can call it 159 million market cap. Again, maybe, I'm not so certain about the market cap. Again, we're just trying to gamble and take some risk. And the third project that I really feel has a very big potential is Ethereum Yield. So Ethereum Yield currently has a market cap of $612,000, which is literally nothing. Now, if you really believe in Ethereum and you are all about staking, generating that extra revenue and extra Ether, this project might be it. Now, it's very attractive because it has very small market cap, and also if you go here to their website, so this is a website. They have like a more like a Windows 95 theme on their website, and you can also click here on Telegram farm, and you can also see what's happening right now. Right now there is 4,751 holders that had 40,000 transactions, 770 log liquidity, and 1.3k transaction gas, I think, or Gozer. I'm not sure what it means. So this is something that you really can actually consider, and I think that this might be very interesting. Again, if you don't have a lot of money, $5 or $10 can really mean a lot if this project is going to be worth from $600,000 to $1 billion. If you do the math, it's more than 100 times return. So if you were to put $10, you're looking at potentially $1,000. Again, the goal is to literally put small amount of money. If you are someone tend to throw money and to try your luck with lottery, this can literally be it. Now, another project that I actually wanted to look at, it's called POLZ. So POLZ has a market cap of $11.1 million, and currently they have a little bit of, they're going slightly lower for the past, I don't know, week or so. And if we look here, let's see what was their, so the all-time low was $5.38, which was 2 months ago. The all-time high was literally a month ago, where it reached $44, and now it's actually 61% lower from the all-time high. Again, the goal is this for this specific video is for you to literally put an insignificant amount of money on those projects and to literally wait for 1 year, 2 years, until one day you go to CoinMarketCap, refresh the page, then you see one of the projects you have invested a year ago, 2 years ago, generating 100%, 400%, 1,000%, 5,000% gain, for example. So this is POOLZ. So POOLZ generates cross-chain token pools and auction. You can do IDO, which I'm assuming it's initial decentralized offering. So that's the whole concept. So I guess they're trying to compete with maybe Binance Labs, so people can literally come here and raise money and basically have the token factory. So they do the token issuance, they do an audit, and obviously they offer the staking and the service. And then obviously you can also do log deal. So this might be attractive for a project that actually want to raise money and want to have more the infrastructure ready to raise money, issue money, and obviously offer in the future some staking services. So this might be quite interesting. And from what I can see, they actually are either looking to work with multiple chain, or they are currently working multiple chains. So right now they have Binance chain, and it seems they might even look at working with Ethereum, Polkadot, Tron, Neo, and some other projects as well, Cosmos. So this is, for example. Now the last one actually I want to talk about is it's a project called Bounce Token. So the Bounce Token has a market cap of $44 million. Now it's currently trading at $3,546. I know that this price might be alarming. Again, the goal for you to put $10, $5, $20, $50, something really insignificant. So let's look a little bit about the pricing history about it. So yesterday was a 60% change, so it went up by 60%. It actually has a lot of volume, so I mean, it's probably traded on some centralized exchange that are able to generate this amount of volume. And you can see here that the all-time high was almost $5,000, and right now, which was yesterday, and right now it's trading 28% lower than what from the all-time high, which was literally yesterday. The all-time low was literally 7 months ago, which was at $131. Since then, it went 2,588%. Again, this currently has a market cap of $44 million. So again, we're looking at based on speculation that it might do a 10x or 20x. If it's going to be 20x, it's going to be around $890 or $850 million market cap, which will price the token based on today's price. Will put it at around, I'll say, $70,000 or $80,000 per one token. Now, if you go here on their website, so what this project do is actually called Decentralized Auction Protocol. They'll offer ability for you to do auction in a more decentralized auction. So from what I can see, they're offering OTC trade, initial token offerings, obviously whoever want to raise money, and obviously with this new trend, the NFT. If you don't know what NFT is, you're more than welcome to watch this video where I actually explain what NFT is and how you can actually potentially participate in it. So these are my 5 pick for Binance Chain project for you guys to consider. Again, I'm talking about putting an insignificant amount of money in a specific project, and I'll try maybe to do another video in regarding to other chain to find some 5 or 6 different projects for you guys to look into it. And full disclosure, I haven't yet invested in any of those projects. I'm just doing this video for you guys to see. There is a lot of underrated projects that the people are missing out, and the goal is for you to still stay and hold the majority lead in cryptocurrency. If you have any spare change to look at investing a small amount of money that will potentially make you 10x or even more in the next year or two. So that's it for me today. Until next time, bye bye.